To connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro with your app, first you will need to download My Fitness app from Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone device. Open it, then go through the setup. You will need to agree and allow any permissions app will ask for. And then we'll be able to find our devices, and we also need to sign into our Xiaomi account. So agree, and then I'm just gonna log in out of the screen. Okay. So we need to move to the devices list and then select add device. Now moving on to our smartwatch device, Mi Band, we need to power it on by connecting it to the charger. Then you will see a screen and we can choose a language. And it will tell you to download this specific app, and we can open it afterwards. Then confirm the code on both of the devices. And it should be connected with your app. And it's basically done.